Hey guys, back to Donovan SqFt Realty, part of the Johnson Group out here in Richmond Hill, Woodland Trail. I'm actually at a Fairview right now. We're gonna go checking this one out. This is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath home with 2,594 square feet. Let's check it out. Alright, here we go. The inside. Now this one's modeled. We're taking you to the model part section. Look at this. I love the way they model these homes. It's awesome. We're gonna come. Actually, no, I'm gonna take care of this right now, so I don't want to forget it. So you're coming in the front door. You saw a great walk-in area right here. Okay. Plenty of space. You put a little table right here, as you can see. Throw your keys down, whatever. Then you come in here. Here's your half bath right by the door, like that. Okay, and then your laundry room's right here, so that's cool too. All right, and then it comes into here. So I have done this floor plan before in my videos, but it's been a while, so it's buried somewhere on my channel. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a whole list together of all the DR Horton homes I've done, so I can just have a playlist of different new construction companies, so you can get a feel for what everyone has to offer. I'm gonna try to get all the models, or all the homes that are done. So here's the living room, Fairview. Now this is kind of, this is what I like, the upgraded cabinets. Of course, this has got the stainless steel appliances. Fridges don't come with it, but this is a model home, so of course they're modeling it. But this is what I was kind of talking about in some of the other floor plans. If you see some of the videos, when you see like a wide open space, they go up there and they say put the table right there. That's natural barrier between the kitchen and the living room right there, as you can see. So this is a good illustration of that. When we get to the rest of the kitchen, we'll go to the living room. All right, so here is a pantry. Bang. Here is a storage closet underneath the stairs, so you can fit all your cleaning supplies and all that stuff in there. That's great. And there is a 2-car garage. It's a 2-car garage. We're not going to check that out. But here's the dining area, as you can see, that leads into the living room area. Okay, laminate floors, you can see. But nice space going on in here. I love how they got it set up. It's beautiful. And then they coming into the primary bedroom on the first floor. Okay, primary on the first floor. I love that. Okay. And once again, all these homes come with smart home features, so you can an Alexa and all that good stuff. Warranties and everything. 210 warranty, which is great. Basically, you don't have to worry about your home for a year. They'll take care of it for you. All right, we're gonna come down here. And don't want to miss. This is carpet, as you can see, in the bedroom. In your wet areas, you have the vinyl closet for your toilet. Going to your dual vanity right there. Closet, just a big closet. I love that. They're keeping their agent stuff in here, but that's all right. It's a big closet. You can tell. All right, and then you get your shower right here. No tub in this one. Standing shower, that's it. But I think that's quartz countertop. Yep, quartz right there. And then bang. All right. And so let's go upstairs. Just bang right there. I mean, wow. Okay. Like this, this is like living room and kitchen combined. This is a massive upstairs spot. I've had clients buy this home and they love it. All this space, obviously. This is stable. Could you imagine the stuff you could do in here? You could make this a craft area, video game area, ping pong tables. That I don't even know. You could do almost anything here. It's crazy. And then closet right there. Okay, nice. All right, and then go here. Here's just a storage closet right there. Upstairs, you put your Christmas, Halloween, all that good stuff. And we got the upstairs bathroom right here. Dual vanity. You see, separate, closed door behind the toilet. And the shower, so like, you don't have to, you guys can get ready at the same time, that's good. Come over here. Bang, look at this. Man, I love how they made this room. It is very nice and a lot of space, as you can see. I mean, nice. Let's go check out this closet real quick. All right, it's a regular size closet. Okay. And then this room is the same size as this room. So imagine that in there. Poof, imagine it. Okay, there you go. And then you got a linen closet right there. And the reason why we can't go in that room is because it's an actually office in here. This is the model home. Look at that though, wow. Like, wow. I mean, so much space in these rooms. It's 2,594 square feet. Nice size. Let's go out to the back. Leaving the living room, kitchen area, going out the sliding back door. Here we go. Bang, look at this yard. Woo. If you're looking for a Fairview, I mean, I'm telling you, it's a beautiful home. So that was the Fairview Model Home by DR Horton. If you have a question about this home or any DR Horton home, you can give me a call at 912-657-3544. Talk soon. Bye.